In this video, I'm going to explain how you can view incognito history on Google Chrome using an Android device. First of all, open the Google Chrome browser on your phone. As you can see, Chrome includes an incognito mode, which is designed to prevent browsing activity from being saved in your normal history. Whenever you search for something while using incognito mode, Chrome does not store those searches in the regular browser history. This often leads people to believe that incognito activity cannot be viewed at all. However, there is still a way to access certain records related to incognito browsing. To do this, start by searching using the specific link provided. Once you open that link, you'll notice that various browsing details appear on the screen. Here, you can see activity records that include searches made while incognito mode was active. This happens because some browsing data may still be recorded at the system or account level, even though it doesn't appear in Chrome's standard history section. As shown here, this method allows you to check incognito-related activity easily. It's a simple process and doesn't require any advanced settings or third-party apps. So that's the easy way to view incognito mode history on Google Chrome for Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.